Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Boomerang to create looping videos. Let's get started. First, you open the Instagram app here, tap here, and then swipe left. Press Boomerang on the left side. And if you tap camera, you will get the option to record and make the boomerang. But if you want to make the boomerang video from your camera roll, select video. As you can see on the top, select the video. As you can see on the top, choose the boomerang option here. Then you can make a boomerang of the video. But if you don't see the boomerang option here, that means you have one of the latest version of the Instagram app. And Instagram has removed the boomerang feature in the latest update, for the boomerang feature is not available in your region. Now, what you can do is that go to Play Store or App Store and search for the Boomerang app. And then you will find many apps that will help you turn videos from your camera root into Boomerang. Turn the video you want into Boomerang through any of these apps, then upload it to your story. So this is how you can make Instagram Boomerang to create looping videos. I hope you learned something. If you have questions on this video, please put it in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.